your help.
I'm not the person you think I am. I'm a killer.
You're my kill of the night.
Arrow returns tomorrow at 8/7 Central on the CW.
Tonight, you need to learn how to flirt.
Attracting Mr. Right takes a sexy look.
Perfect.
A little sweet talk.
Did you ever get the path on that rash?
And some feminine charm.
Excuse me, I just need a tissue.
Emily Owens, MD. All new tonight at 9/8 Central on the CW.
FYI, you have a shampoo.
That's impossible. I just got some like 3 days ago.
Yeah, well, see, I ran out of detergent over at my place, and so I used it to wash my sheets.
What? That was hand-harvested sea cup and lavender shampoo. That I had shipped special from Paris. Hot of milk.
Wow. I didn't know.
Go biggie. You know, I can get some of that generic stuff they have at the Dixie stop. Shampoo is shampoo. And apparently detergent, right? Lesson learned.
Doc, what's going on here? Look, I lost your car, then I used up all the free shampoo. Why'd you throwing stuff at me?
Because then we would be a couple that threw stuff at each other. And that's not how I want us to be. I am turning my negativity into positivity.
Did you take one of those pamphlets from Josie down at the bus depot? Because all her positive